Welcome to our channel. Today we're giving you a short, clear, and professional step-by-step guide on how to apply for a Discover secured credit card. Step 1. Check your credit score. Discover secured cards are designed for people looking to build or rebuild credit. Knowing your score helps set expectations for approval. Step 2. Gather required information. Prepare personal information such as your social security number, income, and employment details. You'll also need a bank account to fund your security deposit. Step 3. Visit Discover's website. Go to discover.com/secured and review the card features, fees, and benefits. Decide the deposit amount, which usually sets your credit limit. Step 4. Complete the online application. Fill out the application form with accurate personal and financial information. Submit the required details and choose your deposit amount. Step 5. Fund your security deposit. Provide the security deposit through your bank account. This deposit acts as collateral and determines your credit line. Step 6. Wait for approval. Discover typically reviews applications quickly. You may receive instant approval or a short waiting period for verification. Step 7. Activate and use your card responsibly. Once approved, activate your card online. Make on-time payments and maintain low balances to build your credit over time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.